Hello everyone, thank you for giving me this opportunity to tell about myself. My name is Adipu Madhuri and I am from Hyderabad. I have done my graduation in the stream of Electrical and Electronics from Geetanjali College of Engineering and Technology in 2019. I got to know about Evision from Naukri.com. Evision Technoserve is an IT recruitment and consulting company. Here, when I have gone through the website of Evision, I have found that there is a online job internship program for 2 months. So I have decided to join the Evision. And now I have completed my job internship, and here they taught us about CCNA, Windows administration, Linux administration, and cyber security. And I have confidence on theory and concepts on all the topics covered here. In CCNA, I have learned about the network fundamentals, routing and switching, and all the protocols, etc. In Windows administration, I have learned how to install Windows OS and server, and how to create user account and how to create administrator accounts, domain configuration, ADDS, WDS, and Outlook, and Windows troubleshooting issues like BSOD error, black screen, and system hanging. And I have learned virtualization and ITIL concepts too. And here, every week they used to conduct the mock interviews, and the trainers helped us a lot, and I've improved myself a lot. And I am very much confident that I can crack my first interview in first attempt itself. Thank you, Evision, for developing me in IT field. Thank you.